Madali na
After
yun.
na.
Ha?
Sure.
Hindi yun okay. Yung follow through mo, hindi okay.
Sure yung...
Oo. Sorry. What does that mean?
Can I touch your cow?
What's up, cow? Aren't those like small cows? Ay, okay lang. What?
Ano sabi mo?
What? Never mind, wala.
Before that.
What's up? Aren't those the small
Wala
cows?
yung white, no? So,
Ito pala yung
yung white
dito.
yung matanda.
Okay.
So, ginagawa mo, Auntie? You violated.
Yung mga feels violated.
Sakay. Go lang. Try to, para madaling tandaan yung follow through. Pag nag-follow through ka, dapat straight pa rin to. Yung sa'yo nagiging umakit eh. Gets mo? So, parang pag nag-follow through ka, straight, align pa rin.
That's